Mobile responsive Canva website tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a mobile responsive Canva website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a versatile and user-friendly graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content including presentations, social media posts, infographics, flyers, posters, and many more, in which it offers a free version with access to numerous templates, images, and design elements, as well as premium subscription for additional features like custom fonts and brand kits. And designed with simplicity in mind, Canva is accessible to beginners while still providing tools that cater to professional designers. And now to proceed, after signing in your account on Canva, you simply go to the search bar to look for a specific kind of templates and enter website, in which upon clicking the enter button, you'll be able to see all the result of website that is offered for free, while some of these need to have an upgrade account or premium account in order to navigate or customize those templates in here. Here is some of the templates that is has a pro account version, while some of it are free. So let's say those options, I'm going to click this free one, in which by simply clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window the option to navigate or start customizing it by clicking customize this template. And upon clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. And from here we can start designing this one. However, to see what it looks like in a mobile view, you simply click on the top right corner the preview button in here, in which by doing so, it will show you on this pop-up window what it looks like in a desktop mode, but just click these boxes below that says resize on mobile. So just click the mobile view on the top right corner and it will show you in here what it looks like or what the website looks like in mobile view. It will show you in here that we can start scrolling down to see if all of the elements such as the context, pictures are all aligned in here. But if you also want to start customizing some of the options or start customizing the details, the layout, and many more, simply close this button right here and start customizing this one. For example, we're going to change the location of the image or change the position of it in our website in here. And we're going to change the color background. You could also navigate by clicking on it and start clicking the background color and start choosing on the left side panel the color palette. I'm going to choose this one. For the next page in here, I'm going to choose the other color in here. And going to also navigate this context by clicking on it, we can start choosing the color white to make it readable for the audience or visitor. I'm going to do the same process in here. So you can see we have now start customizing the two pages. Then we can now proceed by going to the next page in here if you want to start changing the location of the image in here and resize it depending on our preferences. So as you can see, I'm just going to change the location and also the size of this image in order to fit it in our mobile mode view of this website. And aside from that, you can also navigate on the left side panel some of the editing tools, including these elements, where it will show you that you can start adding such as frame, arrow, line. But on the search bar, you can start searching for the elements. For example, I'm going to enter flowers, border. It will show you all of this result. And I'm going to choose here the graphics. You also have here the frames, but by clicking the graphics option or section in here, it will show you where you can start choosing the kind of flower and you can start dragging it to our page in here. As you can see, it is now being added, and you could also do that on the same or the other pages in here. You could also navigate to add a text box or even a context with different kind of font style and size. And now to see if the changes apply, just click the preview button on the top right corner once again, and on this pop-up window, you'll be able to see here once again this mode view by clicking this mobile icon on the top right corner. So this is basically what it looks like on mobile. And as you can see, the changes has now been applied. And if you try to scroll down once again, it will show us that it has a variety or a huge space in here. So we want to minimize this one by simply closing again this page and start navigating some of the pages or has a more spacious in this page. For example, this one, we can start choosing to resize this page. You could also navigating to resize some of the images it contained. For example, we're going to arrange this one in here and this one in here. While this one going to make it smaller to make it fit in our mobile view and start changing the size of this. As you can see, we have now successfully changed the size of this website pages in here. We can do that also on the same section or different kind of section of this website. All you need to do is to simply scroll down, navigate some of this, and start choosing to resize some of the images it contains, media files, and even the whole context in here and the pages of this website. And if you're not done customizing it, just click once again the preview button on the top right corner to see what it looks like on mobile view. And from here, just scroll down and it will show you that it is currently not as spacious as before, which is way better before customizing it. And now to publish the changes or save the changes that we just add, just click the publish button on the top right corner and start publishing it. And it will show you in here the link of this website that you can navigate and go to and be directed on the next step in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can make a mobile responsive website on Canva. Thank you.